even know how I became this passionate. See the mic and I be grabbing it, smashing it, bashing it. I'll put you cowards in the cabinet, throwing touchdown passes like Colin Kaepernick. But in other words, I'ma bring the thunder first. You ain't gonna compare me to no fucking Thunderbird. This is how you know I'll bring the lightning. Wait a minute, it's frightening when it's striking. This is how you know that I bring it back. So wait a minute, just give me that. I'ma keep it fitted like my fitted cap. Yup, wait a minute, motherfucker, Minnesota rapping. Everybody know I'm stepping in the right direction with my white complexion. Everybody be testing me to just get on a fucking beat, spit it free. You can't even do it, so just try to keep up with me. Yup, I just gotta keep it raw. So wait a minute, motherfucker, 37, and I take it off. 37 is the second set of left in. This is how you know that you just reppin' with Devin. I just gotta keep it raw. So wait a minute, motherfucker, I'ma keep it hard. When I'm spitting bars, I just gotta go so far like the fucking lightning strikes. I already said that shit, but I say it twice. Yup, cause I just be that good. This is how you know that people be that hood. When they be claiming they ghetto, and I'm just claiming I'm mellow, cause I'm a Nagra fellow. But I be white, so what's a jello? What's a jello or what's a jealousy? Who is jealous of me? I don't even know, man. My shit is just deep. MC, fucking rapping. This is how you know that I continue trapping. When I get up in it, everybody's business wanna keep on clapping. I just gotta do it right. Wait a minute, motherfucker, I'ma move tonight. Move tonight soon and I get the guap. This is how you know that I don't plan to stop till I reach a tippy top. DMC. Peace.